For the City Grillin', my name is Rob Bohr. In this episode, just a quick and easy ribeye steak. I just ran out to the grocery store. I said, man, I'm really hungry, so I found some ribeyes that were on sale. I've trimmed off the fat because I don't like the fat on them so much, though the fat really makes a ribeye taste good. But when there's extra fat, I'm going to trim it off, and I'll leave a little bit around there just to get the flavor enhanced, right? So I went ahead and seasoned them already with this Bruken food steak seasoning, both sides, and also this Trader East garlic pepper seasoning. It looks like it's all salt, but it's not. It's dehydrated garlic in there. It tastes wonderful on a steak. So I highly recommend it. I'm not advertising for them, but it's very good. So I have my grill ready at 400 degrees. These are going to cook fast because they're only about a ½ inch thick, not very thick actually at all. So I'll go ahead and put them on the grill just like so, and set my timer for about 3 minutes and see how they look in about 3 minutes. I'm going to try to get them fairly medium rare and see how they look here shortly. It's been over 3 minutes. Actually, it's been 6 minutes total. I want to make sure they were done, and I moved them around a little bit. So I know like this one's done more so, but that looks beautiful. And I'll probably move the position of this meat. It's a little bit hotter back here, so I'm going to move this one back here. Go ahead and move these guys around. That looks delicious. Go ahead and flip that over. Keep it on the heat. I only have these 2 burners on here, so I want to have a little safety zone just in case it would get too hot for me. But this is looking good, little parts and pieces there. Go ahead and put those right on just like that and cook them for at least, I'm going to watch it at 3 minutes. I'm going to watch it just to see, how's it feel. That's medium rare in the middle, believe it or not. And definitely these are right now. It's been another 3.5 to almost 4 minutes now. I'm going to check the steaks. They look delicious. Look at that. When you see the juice coming up, that's a nice medium rare on there. So I'm ready to take them off the grill. I'll go ahead and just put them on the plate here and take them inside. But I'm going to let them rest a little bit. Let them rest for about 5 minutes. Well, that's going to be real tender. I can tell by the way that looks. It's going to be delicious. I like a nice medium rare steak. But I'm going to let them rest. And for 5 minutes, maybe tin them up with some aluminum foil. That's all it takes is a simple 15-minute cook and done. Total time, even taking the fat off the meat, it goes quick. I highly recommend it. The seasoning's going to be wonderful. I might even put a slice of butter on each of these just to help enhance the flavor even more. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out the recipe at citygrillin.com.